Unraveling the Mystery, Understanding, Uncovered Simmer. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the world of cooking terminology and explore the phrase, uncovered simmer. Whether you're a budding chef or just looking to expand your English vocabulary, understanding this phrase is crucial for both your language learning and culinary adventures. Let's unravel the mystery together. Before we dive into the specific phrase, uncovered simmer, it's important to understand why cooking terms are a crucial part of learning English. Cooking terms often involve specific actions, conditions, or techniques. By understanding these, you not only expand your vocabulary but also gain insight into the culture and lifestyle associated with English-speaking countries. Now, let's break down the phrase, uncovered simmer. The term can be split into two parts, uncovered and simmer. Uncovered. This simply means that the pot or pan you are using to cook does not have a lid on it. The absence of a lid allows moisture to escape and can affect the cooking time and the concentration of flavors. Simmer. To simmer means to cook liquid, or food in liquid, at a temperature just below the boiling point. You'll see small bubbles forming and gently rising to the surface, but it's not a rolling boil. Simmering is a gentle, low-heat method of cooking, perfect for making soups, sauces, and stews, allowing flavors to meld together without the harshness of boiling. Understanding the phrase, uncovered simmer, is crucial in cooking and recipe comprehension. It implies a specific technique. 1. Control of evaporation. Cooking something at an uncovered simmer allows water to evaporate. This can concentrate flavors and thicken sauces or soups. 2. Temperature regulation. Simmering is a more controlled, gentle method of cooking, preventing overcooking or burning delicate ingredients. 3. Culinary techniques. Many recipes call for this method to achieve a desired texture or flavor, making it a fundamental technique in various cuisines. Today, we've unpacked the phrase, uncovered simmer, a key term in the culinary world and an interesting addition to your English vocabulary. Remember, cooking is as much about the language as it is about the food itself. By understanding terms like this, you're not just improving your language skills but also your culinary prowess. Happy learning, and even happier cooking!